And likewise, vice versa, I don't demand too much from people as well when I'm going about my day.
When did your self-care and mental health advocacy work begin? Like, what was it that led you in that direction where you started to prioritize self-care, talk about anxiety, talk about mental health? Like, when did that become important for you and why?
I think my sister, she was a huge part of that, I think. And obviously, I'm doing it at a very small level. Whenever I can talk about it through my own lens, I do. Shaheen, my sister, wrote a book. It's called I've Never Been Unhappier. And she's, lived with depression since she was 13 and has built some amazing tools in life to be where she's at today. And she speaks about it beautifully. So something about her honesty inspired me to talk about it, not in a way where you seem like you're complaining about your life, because again, you're not in a position to complain, you have it all, but just to talk about it so that somebody somewhere watching might just resonate with it and feel like, oh, okay, I was having the same day, or I have the same feelings. So I'm not alone. Everybody feels it. It's happened very often with me where I've seen some A-list celebrity, Hollywood, international, or like even here, speak about something, and I've resonated or connected with that, and I was like, oh, they're feeling it as well. So it's happened. It happens with all of us. So that's when I think I became more open to talk about having any specific anxiety. And also I was recently clinically diagnosed with it. So I had a proper backing for me to not just say I'm just having an anxious day. Okay, it's not just that. ADHD and anxiety. And I actually seeked it out only because I was actually finding it very hard. My body was heating up in social gatherings, and I was like physically responding to it. So I was also finding it very hard to focus on certain things, and my focus was going in and out. And then I realized that I gave myself a lot of credit for being an amazing multitasker. And then I realized that, I can multitask, but it does take a toll on me. And I need to understand why it's taking a toll on me, because I'm forgetting the most random things, like things that I have scheduled, I'm forgetting. Why am I forgetting these things? So I did a test, a professional test, not like some random personality test or something, over 3 days.